It's morning. Hello, Archie. Hello, everyone. The toys are looking in old boxes. Doll's got a picture.
Look!
Says Doll.
This is my family!
Oh.
This is my mummy and this is my daddy.
Says Doll.
Oh, nice car.
Says Ted.
Ooh.
Archie is on a big drum.
Look,
Says Archie.
more pictures. Come over here, Ted. Just a minute, Archie.
Says Ted.
This is my brother.
Says Bunny.
Oh, look! A ball.
Says Doll.
Tweet!
Says Bluebird.
Oh.
This is my sister.
Says Dino.
Oh, look! Crayons.
Says Bunny.
Tweet!
Says Bluebird.
Oh. Where's your picture, Ted?
Asks Archie.
Have you got a picture of your mummy or daddy? No.
Says Ted.
Have you got a picture of your brother or sister?
Asks Dino.
No.
Says Ted.
Huh?
I haven't got a picture of my family,
Says Ted.
but I've got a dinosaur, a bunny, a doll, a bird, and a giraffe.
That's
us!
Say Archie, Dino, Bunny and Doll. Says Bluebird.
You're all my family.
Says Ted.
Let's take a picture.
Says Ted.
Good idea.
Says Archie. What a great picture. Goodbye, everyone.